Hey friends, it is Monday and it's turned out to be a darn good Monday. It is your friend Lisa Mason Ziegler. I am up here at the warehouse because guess what, friends? We actually got our book shipment today. This is a BB in the Astrodome, y'all. I'll give you an up close here in a minute. So I am here to say that we're starting to ship our books tomorrow. I have a lot to say because we didn't expect them until later this week, right? But everybody got their books early. So I've already signed over over 1,000, like 1,800 books. And the girls are going to start shipping them in the morning. And books will be shipped in the order that they were ordered. So those folks that ordered them back in November in the very, very beginning, you are at the top of the list. We're doing them in order, and we're going to do them just as fast as we physically can. And y'all, this book is so blooming beautiful. I just can't even tell you. So I'm going to that was my alarm. All right, so I'm just going to take you a little walk around. So here's some of the announcements I wanted to say. First off, so we are going to honor, we said that the pre-orders, because you know there's a pre-order bonus. The bonus is the PDF download of the Cool Flower Zone Guide, which is like a 9-page, one page just about for every zone that tells you what season you plant which flowers in. That is only available to folks that have pre-ordered. If you already pre-ordered, it came to you in an email. And so we are going to keep that available. The pre-order stage is going to stay enacted until Wednesday night at midnight. And so you can, if you haven't ordered the book and you want that pre-order bonus, you can pre-order it and still get that. Now, because you're buying the book from us, I mean, I know that, you know, I'm signing all the books, but that's not the best part, right? The best part is the PDF that comes with your book that's called The Flowers That Didn't Make the Handbook. There's never enough pages, y'all. And I just can't wait for y'all to see this book. So I can't flip this around. What do you know? Oh, yeah, I can. All right. So I'm going to flip this around. So we only have these 2 cases. That's all that I have left to sign. I just finished signing all these books, Tucker and I, and then I'm going to show you the stacks that have been done, y'all. So there's a whole rack over there that's full. And then y'all are really seeing the behind the scenes, right? This is our warehouse. So there's books everywhere. So there's more books here. And then look at this. We just have stacks and stacks. So the big shipment is coming, or the big start of all the shipments is going to start tomorrow. The team is just all revved up. They've got all their P's in a row, and they're going to hit it hard in the morning. So just be assured that we are doing as quickly as we can, and we're doing them in the order that we received the orders, you know, and that started back in November. So we are so excited, y'all. So the books will get wrapped, and we just can't wait. I'm going to try to put this back on the stand, y'all, and not cut us off or dial 911. You know, that happens when you hit the 2 buttons on the side sometimes. So, y'all, the book is so beautiful, and I've signed them all. Every single one of them. And my publisher and editor and all those people were pretty surprised that I was literally going to be the one to sign them all. But friends, you can be assured that I did. And I was just going to show you. You know, I've shown this so many times. This is my favorite picture because you know who's in it. He's upstairs whining. He's ready for us to go home, and he's ready to have some dinner. And I wanted to show you. Look at this. That's my sis. There's just some great pictures in here and so much great information. So here's the scoop. Pre-orders are staying open till Wednesday, even though we already have the book. So we're starting to ship in the order that we received the orders starting tomorrow morning, beginning with those folks that ordered back in November and working our way through. And friends, we literally have thousands of orders. So please be patient. I appreciate it so very, very much. And we are just so excited for you to have the book. And then the PDF, the flowers that didn't make the handbook. I mean, there's never enough pages. And I mean, you know the story that when I sent my manuscript in, they in fact gave me 16 more pages. That is really kind of crazy that happened. And if you need the link directly to the book, you can actually just comment book here, BOOK, and that'll DM you here in Instagram a direct link to purchase the book. Of course, the book, we pay for the shipping on the book, and we are just, y'all, this has been like 2 years, right? 2 years in the making, and I just can't tell you how pretty and colorful and beautiful the book is. And it is all the way through, and we're just hearing from all of the reviewers have gotten their own copies now, and anyway, y'all, it's just pretty dadgum exciting. So if you comment book, that'll DM you the direct link, or you can just go to thegardenersworkshop.com. It's at the top of every page. And again, I'll say we're starting to ship tomorrow morning, Tuesday morning, February 20th, a week earlier than we thought we were. And we are going to be shipping them in the order that we receive the orders. And we have thousands of orders to process and get them shipped starting back from November. And we just can't wait to work through all of them. And we are almost, actually, we're very close to being sold out on our first shipment. And so we've already got our order in for more books to come. I mean, it's just crazy, y'all. It's just really crazy. So y'all are just overwhelming us with your love. And anyway, look at the back. I think the back, Suzanne took these 2 images. Look at those celosia plumes. This is one of my favorite pictures. So friends, that's the story. Comment book. If you want to do the pre-order, you have until Wednesday at midnight. The pre-orders are going to stay open until then. However, we are starting to ship and getting them out all over the United States as quickly as we can. And thank you all so much for your support. And I'm going to go rescue Tucker and till we meet again, friends. So super excited. Please pass the word. And remember, you can just comment book here and that'll get you the link, or just head over to thegardenersworkshop.com and we will get those books out. The girls are will be working longer hours and days they don't normally work. So we are doing our best to get them out to you guys. So, all right, friends, till we meet again. Ciao.